Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Pinnacle in Montego Bay. We are by Reading in Montego Bay. Now this is where they're going to be building four 28-story buildings. And each tower at 28 floors will be the tallest in Jamaica. So these four buildings are going to be the tallest buildings in Jamaica. Now, they have started construction on the right. That is a commercial center that they're building. And then to the left, where you see the crane, that's where they're building the first of two towers. So phase one of the development is going to be the commercial center and then two towers. The two towers are going to be the Swallowtail and the Canary. And each tower is going to have 141 units in it. In all, this development is going to have 423 residences, 4 28-floor apartments, and 15 exclusive villas. And the entire development is going to cost US $450 million, and the development is going to be on 17.5 acres of land. Now the development is going to have 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 4 and 5 bedroom penthouses, and 15 villas. So that is the first of the two towers. Now the Swallowtail is going to be a residential tower. And the Canary is going to be a hotel. So that's one of the reasons why they don't allow Airbnb rentals here, because they're going to have a hotel. And they're going to do what they call branded residences, where the hotel will be managed by a company. Basically, they're going to outsource the hotel to a company. That's very popular in the hotel industry. So it's going to have 4 28-floor towers, and it's going to have a 15-slip marina for yachts, a 5-story members-only club. That means you have to live at the compound to use it. And it's going to have the commercial complex, as we said earlier, and the commercial complex will have a separate entrance from the apartments. So the first two towers should be finished in 2026, and then they'll start building the second two towers. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below, and we will be giving you regular updates on this development every 2 weeks. Alright guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.